Welcome to a video from our IQ tutorial series.
Heute mit Josef.
Today's presenters are Joseph and Paul.
Hallo zusammen.
Joseph and I will introduce you to the ENGEL IQ Process Observer. We will show you how you can use it to quickly detect process changes. Joseph, can you explain in more detail? What is the IQ Process Observer?
It is, as the name suggests, a process observer, but more specifically a diagnostic tool for the injection molding process. During each cycle, process data is generated by the machine and recorded by an edge device. This is what such a process data protocol looks like. As you can see, it is not very telling. The process observer compiles this data into more user-friendly information, such as these traffic lights, for example.
We can see 5 traffic lights. 4 of them are green and 1 is yellow. What does that mean?
Warum ist es so, wie es jetzt ist?
Here we are using a monitoring type called process change. It indicates changes occurring in production and is broken down into each one of the injection phases: plasticizing, injection, cooling and demoulding, and a group called production. In this example, a change occurred during injection. We generally don't want to see any changes during the injection molding process.
Okay, können wir uns das
Let's have a look at the machine controller.
einem realen Beispiel vorstellen auf der Steuerung von einer echten Maschine?
Here you see the machine control screen. I'm connected to a machine via VNC. We see the home screen of the IQ Process Observer with 5 traffic lights. At the moment, they are all green.
Also das heißt, jetzt
That means currently everything is running stable. But can we go back and see if there have been changes occurring earlier?
historisch war, also was vor dem jetzigen Zeitpunkt passiert ist auf der Maschine im Prozess.
Yes, that is possible. These traffic lights only refer to the last shot that was analyzed. If I click to the View All button, I see the history of the last 100 cycles, the last 100 shots.
Und was sieht man da jetzt?
What do I look at exactly? I can see several green bars and then yellow bars and then green bars again. What does that tell us?
Was sehen wir hier?
You read the process observer chart from left to right. It is like a timeline. Here you see everything was fine at first, then there was a problem, and later everything was fine again. The so-called problem is explained quite easily. You can see the explanation up there. This symbol indicates there has been a mode change. Someone switched from semi-automatic to fully automatic mode. In other words, there was an interruption. And as we all know, after each interruption, it takes some time for the process to stabilize again. The disruption affects various process parameters.
So now I know where something happened, or where the process was not stable. But if I want to dig a little deeper, can I also look at a specific parameter in detail?
Einen Parameter ansehen?
Yes, these bars are always a summary of different groups of parameters. If I want to look, for example, at the plasticizing time, I can click the plus and I can see the 25 shots it took to get back to a stable process.
Die also ungefähr, ich schätze mal 25 Schuss gebraucht hat, wieder stabil zu werden.
I click to expand the chart, and we can see the plasticizing time initially dropped after this interruption, and then it took this time to get up again.
Bis sie wieder eingeschwungen war.
And why do we need all this information?
Man sich vorstellen,
After an interruption or after a change of settings, you want to know if the process is stable and if the parts are good. Using this kind of monitoring, I can easily find out.
diese Überwachungsart, mit der ich das super beurteilen kann.
Ja, danke.
Thank you, Joseph, for this introduction to IQ Process Observer. Thank you for watching.
Und danke an alle Zuseher und Zuseherinnen, die dabei waren.
Please also watch the next videos in this series. See you soon. Bye.